This is the reason why I said the trend trading strategy really works. Over the weekend, I gave us some analysis, some trading signals for us to look out for. This is the first one, GainX 999. We had an uptrend signal at this point, at this support zone. So this happened to be our entry point, and right here is our support, our stop loss. And of course, we got a buy signal already. Remember, we only need to obey a buy signal when the market is on uptrend, and we only need to obey a sell signal when the market is on downtrend. And of course, check it out, guys. First TP achieved, second TP achieved, third TP achieved, fourth TP achieved, and right now we are about to achieve the last TP, which is going to be the fifth TP. This trade actually lasted for like 2 days. Okay, so this is amazing. And of course, we still have more trades. This is another one. Paynex 1200. We did the analysis over the weekend also. This was our entry point, and this happened to be our stop loss at the resistance zone. TP1 achieved, TP2 achieved, TP3 achieved, and right now we are heading towards TP4. That's so amazing, guys. So that is why I said the trend trading strategy is still one of the best. This is also another one, guys. This is also another one. So this is Paynex 999. And over the weekend, we also analyze this. Our entry point, our stop loss. Check out all the TPs that we achieved. We even achieved the last one before switching back. Okay. So guys, these are some of the things that we will be checking out in this video, and I will be sharing with you how we are able to come up with a beautiful trading signals like this. All you just need to do is just for you to sit tight and watch this video to the end. But before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question at all, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. This is gain next 1200. Okay, we want to check this particular asset, and I will be using it to explain to you why the trading signals are very how we are able to achieve those trading signals. Okay, so that you too can also do the same thing from your end. First of all, what we do is to follow the trend. Okay, we only need to follow the trend, and we follow the signal that supports the trend. For instance, this particular asset got to the resistance zone at this point, and there are only two things that can happen from the resistance zone. Is either there is a breakout above it to continue the buy trend or the uptrend, or it switch back into a downtrend, okay, to give us a new signal. Okay, in this situation, it was unable to break out from there, so it switched into a downtrend, just where we are seeing it. And how do I know if it has switched? It changes the color will change. You can see it changed from this yellow to this red. That is the power of the indicator I am using. And also, right there, the only thing I just need to look out for is the sell signal. And I got some sell signals here. So I got my first sell signal at this point, which is the red arrow. The blue arrow happened to be a buy signal, but that is only useful when the market is on uptrend. But this time around, the only thing I need right now is the red arrow, which is the sell signal. So when I got that and I got the downtrend signal, I just had to highlight my entry point, my stop loss, and my TPs. So this is my entry point, my stop loss, and right here are my TPs. TP1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth TP is even there. So we achieved all these TP except the fifth one. It almost achieved it, but it didn't achieve it. So add this pullback, and we'll be trying to see if it will achieve it. If it cannot, then it will go fully into an uptrend. I'm actually looking forward towards the uptrend signal. So we are looking at how we can achieve the uptrend signal, how we can profit on the uptrend signal right from here. So we want it to show us a clear signal before we go fully into it. Okay, so this is very important. So it is something you should look out for. If you break out from here, then it is coming down here. So you should watch out for that. So another asset which I want us to look out for today is actually pin X 999. Okay, so let me also use this to explain to us how we came about this signal that we actually made over the weekend with pin X 999. It is still the same strategy, guys. We just need to follow the signal that supports the trend. If you remember, when it was on uptrend, when it switched to uptrend at this point, we got an uptrend signal. You can see the yellow, and we also got a buy signal. It only gave us a single buy signal. Like I said, if it is an uptrend, you only need to look out for the buy signal, and it gave us each profit till it got to this region. But this is the recent one that we actually traded over the weekend. Okay, so it got to the resistance zone, and you can see it playing around it because it was unable to break out above the resistance zone. So it switched into a downtrend at this point and gave us a sell signal. So when that happened, we quickly add our trade setup. Okay, so our entry point and our stop loss. As you can see, I always make sure I highlight the stop loss also as I am setting up our trade. Okay, this gives us more confidence in the market, and of course, we also add our TPs highlighted, TP 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And just the way we are saying it has achieved all the TPs. Okay, this took it took about 2 days before it was able to achieve all the TPs, but it's worth it because it actually gave us a lot of profit. Even achieving the first TP alone is a lot of profit depending on your capital or the lot size you are using. Okay, this is about 10 candles or 15 minutes time frame, and of course, that is about 13,875 points. That is a lot of profit for the first tip, not to talk of you achieving all the 5 TPs. That's so amazing. Okay, so all you just need to do right here is just to set it up and allow it to play out. If it is not going to go along with your prediction, it will hit the stop loss and you will be taken away from the market. But if it goes along with your prediction, then definitely you will make a lot of profit right from there. Okay, so this is so amazing. So right now we are preparing for a new signal. It is switching into an uptrend. So let me quickly show you what you need to do. First of all, highlight your support zone because this is the support zone. Okay, so we are about to buy here. Okay, so I like the possible entry point. Okay, so if you should check it out, this is supposed to be your entry point, the stop loss here at the support zone, and of course we've gotten a buy signal, and you can see these are switching to an uptrend. But because we missed out from that, we are going to readjust everything because we are just seeing this right now. So it has already given us a pullback. And I always tell you, when a trend is just starting and you get a pullback, then it is an opportunity for you to jump into the trade if you have not got into the trade before. Okay, so I'm going to put our entry point at this point right now. And this place is actually too much for our stop loss. So we are going to readjust it to this section. Okay, so this is going to be the stop loss. Now let us highlight some TPs for ourselves. Okay, so this is PNX 999 in case you want to take this trade. Okay, so that's going to be for TP1. So let me set TP2. This is for TP2, and I'm coming. This is for TP3. Sorry, CP3. Okay, then TP4. Okay, why is this not staying? Okay, so TP4, I'm going to maintain here for TP4 and TP5. So these are some highlighted sections or TPs that you can actually take. Hopefully it's going to activate this and achieve all these TPs, so you can follow up with this and see how much profit you can make from here. The most important part of this video is you understanding this strategy and learning it, practicing with it very well. Then you can now go ahead and use it on your own so that you too can also generate profitable signals like this each time you are trading. I will be stopping right there. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.